All right, I gave a snippet of this in the TradingView tutorial, but I want to go over it again in a much shorter video so you can reference back to it. So as you're making trades in the day, and let's say you had this whole level marked here. This would be blue. Came up, you entered there, you entered the short, or you could have done really, really, really well with that. In fact, I think I'm going to use this for how to stay in trades longer because this is perfect. But for recording your trades, what I would do, I'd remove that horizontal line and pick this line here. What do they call that? They call that the trend line. Star that so it goes in your little folder here in your shortcut panel. So you could draw that line and you would know that's where you entered. Or I like to draw my circle here, and then I like to draw the circle where, let's say, you got out, okay? You don't have to, but just a couple ideas. And then this is a great place to put 5 MES, 2 at 2 points, 3 at 35 points, whatever you'd want to say. You can add that into there. Then you come over here to your object tree down here at this bottom right. Select those 3 if this is the first time you're doing it, and click the folder, and it will put them all in a folder. You can or single click that, rename this folder entries, and now you can turn this on or off. So that at the end of the day, when you're doing your end of the day charts, ooh, here's another one. This one would be beautiful there. So then you can click those 2, drop it into the entries folder, turn it off. Now, at the end of the day, you would have this information so that you could easily review the day and see what trades you took. Maybe you entered a trade that you look at later and go, I have no clue why I entered that one. Or you might see trades of, man, how did I miss that one? Like, oh my gosh, there's so many beautiful trades this particular day. Let's say you missed that one. At the end of the day, you're doing your end of the day charting. You're like, oh, why did I miss that one? Oh, that was 15 minutes before the closing. I didn't want to do that trade. Well, cool. That's a great reason not to be in that trade. So you could have your trades like that if you wanted to even do these by the day, or you can do them by the week, or at the end of the day, delete the folder. One of the things I recommend you do is this combines a couple things. There's your trades, and then I'm going to come over here to my settings. I'm going to click my print settings. I'm actually going to print this out and keep it in a binder so I can go back and review it later. Guys, this is your game film. This is where you will really help yourself improve your game by reviewing your game. And this is one of the easiest ways to do it. I'm going to take that back to my dark setting. So that's how you can record your own trades on TradingView. Real simple. All right.